Welcome back to another videos. Join us for the latest news, insights, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's explore the world of the Iraqi dinar together. The first part of the statement mentions that the country is giving a date for when they will stop the auctions, which likely refers to the central bank's currency auctions. In many countries, especially those with volatile economies or currencies, central banks hold auctions to regulate the value of their currency. By buying or selling foreign currencies, they can manage exchange rates and control inflation. These auctions are particularly common in nations with pegged exchange rates or dual currency systems, where the national currency is heavily dependent on foreign reserves, typically the US dollar. Stopping the auctions implies that the country is moving towards a more flexible exchange rate regime, potentially allowing the value of its currency to be determined by market forces rather than central bank interventions. Next, the statement mentions the lifting of 3 zeros, which suggests a redenomination of the currency. Redenomination often occurs in countries that have experienced prolonged periods of hyperinflation or severe devaluation, where the currency has lost so much value that everyday transactions require large sums of money. By removing zeros from the currency, the government can simplify financial transactions and restore confidence in the currency. For example, if a currency note is worth 1,000 units, lifting 3 zeros would mean it becomes worth just 1 unit. While this doesn't change the underlying value of the currency, it can be a psychological move to signal stability and a new start for the economy. Next, the statement refers to the currency becoming stronger than the Jordanian dinar. This is a significant claim, as the Jordanian dinar is one of the stronger currencies in the Middle East, and has maintained a relatively stable value against major currencies like the US dollar. For a country to claim that its currency will be stronger than the Jordanian dinar implies a high level of confidence in its economic reforms and future prospects. Achieving this would require substantial improvements in the country's fiscal and monetary policies, as well as significant foreign investment and economic growth. The statement then predicts that the currency will float and reach the real effective exchange rate, REER, at around $4.25. The REER is an economic measure that adjusts the nominal exchange rate for differences in price levels between countries. It gives a more accurate picture of a currency's value by taking into account inflation rates and the relative cost of goods and services. A high REER suggests that a currency is strong and competitive internationally, while a low REER indicates that it may be undervalued or facing inflationary pressures. If the country's currency reaches a REER of $4.25, it would imply significant strength relative to the US dollar, reflecting a robust and competitive economy. To summarize, the paragraph you provided outlines a scenario where a country is undergoing significant economic reforms aimed at strengthening its national currency. These reforms include stopping currency auctions, redenominating the currency by removing zeros, increasing purchasing power, resolving issues related to oil revenue distribution through the HCL, and floating the currency to reach a competitive exchange rate. The ultimate goal is to achieve a currency value that is stronger than the Jordanian dinar, with a REER of around $4.25. Achieving this would require a combination of sound fiscal policies, effective management of natural resources, such as oil, and a stable, growing economy. Thanks for watching Iraqi Dinar. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share our videos. Your support keeps our channel going. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.